Oh, wait.
Ko te whaia, te tākere o te waka.
Well, hun, I can't believe it's been 29 years since Mum's been gone.
Yeah, she heard us, remember?
Yeah, I remember that night.
Hey sis, how's everything? How's Mum?
Well, the doctor said there's still no changes. I'm scared, Milty.
I know. Well, we've just got to keep praying. Hey sis. Okay. Get some rest. We'll take over. It's gonna be okay. Hey Mum, how are you? It's our shift right now, Mum, man. I really miss you, Mum.
We're here, Mom. We love you.
Mum, you have to get better. You can't just die. Haven't seen the kids in a while, and please keep fighting, Mum.
You know, Mom, The kids, they miss you so much. And they're getting so big.
I know how much you love my music. I actually just finished recording some new songs, man. I want you to be the first one to hear it.
Far across the ocean, there's a place that I know. A paradise, so what a sight it holds. Won't you come with me? I'm hoping that you will follow. Resides, a better life will know. I know you have your doubts to face the unknown. Just know that there's no place like home without you. Turning pages, open doors. My heart is set for me to return home. Oh, with you. Let's run away home. Look around, my darling, as a daffodils bloom. There's an instrumental waiting for its tune. Instrumental. A small house where I'm growing, that we made our home. Here is where we'll stay to the great shores. We've had our ups and downs. We've chased the unknown. My lady, there's no place like home without you. Many days have passed away. Oh, can you see I've made this our home? Oh, with you. There's no place like home.
Hey, hon. I'm gonna go call mom and check up on the kids, right? Okay.
Okay.
Hello?
Malo Tina, wa mai mea uma? Wa mai tamaiti?
Ale mon mea whaftai. Ngā rana ala kang so iau.
Oh, poor Rana. Please give him a hug for me.
Wā mit ki ngā mit kong.
Yeah, Milton's mom, she's still hanging in there. But we're not entirely sure what's going on.
Oi, kalo whai.
Hey, Mom? Can I talk to Travis, please?
Yeah, kan may se kala awat. Travis!
Yes.
So careful.
Hi, Trav. How are you?
Hi, Mom. I'm good.
That's good. How are the kids? How's everything?
The kids are fine, but Wanda keeps crying.
Oh, poor Rhonda. Take care of him, okay? Make sure you guys take care of each other.
Okay.
And don't forget to listen to Grandma and Grandpa, right?
Okay.
Okay, here's your father.
Hi, Trev.
Hi, Dad.
Are you guys okay?
Yes, but what happened to Nanny?
Nanny's just sleeping. But know that Mommy and Daddy love you, okay?
Okay.
Make sure you guys take care of each other. Hey, the line got disconnected. Hello?
Hello?
Trev?
Dad.
Trev?
That's odd.
No, there's still no connection.
We'll just try again tomorrow.
Oh well.
Mr. Kaka, I'm so sorry, but as I mentioned yesterday, your wife's condition hasn't improved. There's little to no brain activity. I really think it's time you considered letting her go peacefully.
But how do I say goodbye?
Just take your time and say what you really need to say. She can hear you. She just can't respond. Nurse Randall is here to help you through this next phase. I'm sorry.
Wake up, Mom. Please, wake up. I can't do this right now. This is about my mother. I need you to understand. I can't do this without you.
It's time, family. We need to let Mum go.
Hey, Mum's breathing. Yeah, she's breathing on her own.
I'm sorry, whānau. It's just the body taking its last breath. Love you, Mum.
Ka tangi te titi, ka tangi te kaka, ka tangi hoki ko au. Ti hei mauri ora. Ko te mea tuatai he mihi ki te atu i rungarawa. He honoro he kororea ki tone ingoa tapu. Nāna i ho mai, nāna i tango, no reira, tēnā koe e te matua. Koutou ngā mate, kua whakakānuhitia te mataruru o te manu kāwhuru e te pō. Takahia atu rā te ara pua hene kūkū tangata haere moi oki oki. He tātai whetū ki te rangi, rātou ki a rātou he tātai tangata ki te whenua, tātou ki a tātou a hui e, tāi ki e. Tēnā koutou te tini ora, kua toia mai ki tēnei whare, anei mātou, ngā uri tautoko e whakamana, manakitia e te whānau tēnei wā, he mihi kauana ki Tainui Waka, te awa o Waikato, he piko, he taniwha, tēnā koutou katoa. Mō tō aroha, mō tō tautoko i tēnei wā, anō he mihi tēnei ki Ngāti Kahungunu, kia koe whaia, anei mātou e tautoko ana, e kau ana, e manakitia, ko te mea nui o tēnei wā, ko te kōtahitanga, ko te manakitanga, ko te whanaungatanga hoki. Nō reira, haere mai, rarau, tautsi, tēnā koe te whaia, haere, oki oki. Tēnā tātou katoa, nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa. Heo.
He honore,
He karoria, mau ngā rongo ki te whenua. Whakaro, pai e, ki ngā tangata katoa. Ake ake, ake ake, amine. Te atua, te peringa, tōku oranga. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa. Kia ora.
Hun, I'm gonna go call Mom.
Hello?
Hi, Mom. Milton's mom passed away this morning.
Anghewel?
Earlier this morning.
Hi. Te leka kau, walang ka lang mo Travis ang po.
Wait, no, Mom. She passed away earlier this morning.
Fakali melasi valau Travis.
Wait, let me go get Milton.
Travis?
Yes?
So,
Is everything okay, hon?
Hun, you need to hear this. Trav, are you still there?
Yes?
Okay, wait. Hi, Trav.
Hi, Mom.
Dad and I are here.
Hey, Trev.
Hi, Dad.
Trav, did you talk to Nanny on the phone last night?
Yes.
And what did she say?
Well, when I was talking to Dad, the phone went dead, but I just kept saying, "Hello, Dad? Dad?
Trev.
Hello?
Trev.
Dad? Dad?"
Hi, Trevi.
Nanny, is that you?
Yes, it's me, Trevi.
Oh, hi, Nanny.
Hi, Trevi. How are you?
I'm good, Nanny.
Oh, that's good. How's your grandma and grandpa and the kids?
Grandma and Grandpa are good. We miss you, Nanny.
Oh, I miss you all, Trevi. Help take care of your brothers and sister and send my love to your cousins, okay? Nanny loves you very much.
Love you too, Nanny.
What? She hurt us.
I know. I know. Okay. I'm gonna go tell Des.